Hello, wonderful GWA students. It's Miss Pope, and I want to talk about a little bit of charity work. All right, you guys are doing a great job so far in reference to bringing those clothes that you know you don't need them anymore, but someone else might. We have one more month of collecting items for this charity for the Down Syndrome Center here in Casablanca. You may casual dress on Fridays if you can bring in some of those clothes that maybe your family doesn't need anymore, or some of our food items that they're also looking for. Let me remind you of that list. The lists can be found posted out in the hall. Let's see, they need a little tea or pasta, some sugar or tuna, some coffee or oil, some cookies or jam. If you have any of those things at home, on Fridays or any day of the week, you can bring those in, and then that Friday, you can casual dress. Make sure that you bring those items in and take them down to the office. Again, let me remind you, we have one more month. You can bring in clothing items that are gently used, not old clothes, but maybe you grew out of them. Maybe you got a new coat. And remember, maybe even your older brothers and sisters have something you could donate, or even mom and dad. They're looking for all sizes, or any of those items like tea, or sugar, or cookies that you might have that you could bring in to casual dress on Fridays. Awesome, awesome work always, GWA students. I'm always very, very proud of you. I hope that you're doing well, and I'll see you in the halls.